Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this video that me have this 2008 Honda Accord. I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear brakes, the rotor, the brake pads. How to push the piston, and all that. Right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell button. So every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Hey, don't forget to leave the tip on the table, alright? The only way you can help me is, or you leave a tip, or just watch the ad. Watch the whole ad without skipping it, and that's how you can help me, alright? Well, alright, let's get it. We're gonna remove this, guys, okay, with Phillips. It might be rusty though, so you're gonna have to like heat it up with a torch. Alright, this guy's 12. This one. Here's the other one. Just too rusty though, so I'm gonna use a pry bar. Ooh, shit. There you go. This is gonna be 17. This guy and this guy right here. 17, alright. Let's see. This one. This guy over here. This shit. There. Get this shit fucked up. Press on brake cleaner. The new rotor. Make sure this hose align with the where you're gonna put the bolts back on it. That's how you can do it now. This one. That one also in here. Just like it. Now with this guy right here, you see this? We're gonna use the piston pusher. This brake tool. See this, guys? We're gonna put it right there, right there. Sorry. And then we're gonna turn it. Okay. And the piston is gonna turn too. So it look like this. You just gotta turn it until it goes all the way back. Now with this guy, I'm gonna remove the clips. The brake pads didn't come with new clips, so I'm gonna remove it and clean underneath because it's rusty too. And that rust don't let the new pad go all the way. Okay, like this one is stuck. So that's why I'm gonna remove the clips. I'm gonna clean it, remove most of the rust, and put it back. Clean this clip, grease it, and put the new pads. So this is how it looks like without the clip. You see a lot of rust. So I'm gonna clean it and then I'm gonna show you how it ended up, okay? Okay, so this is the final product. I mean, you can always get new brackets and calipers, but it's good. That's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna tighten it. This guy. Tied it, then came with a clip. This clip right here that is gonna go right there in these holes. You see those? I'm gonna put it there. Okay, then put this guy on top and tied it. Hey, don't forget about the sliders. See, this needs some grease. Okay, this one and then one at the bottom. Okay, clean it, wipe it, and re-grease it. Put it back. Forgot to put some grease here and on this side too. Time to put these guys back. It's kind of difficult to work with one hand. Okay, put it there and tight it. Now that it's all set up, just put the tire back, tie the lug nuts, torque it to 90 foot-pounds. You want it like a right there, so the tire don't spin when you torque it. All of them are. Pretty much, that's good. Do the same with the other side. Now, and come out here, open the hood. That's how you do it, alright. Come through right here in the middle. Here it is. That's a latch. Now you look at the level. Look like it's not that low though, but okay. Now you really come over here and step on the brake pedal a few times until it gets hard. Pause. Start the car. Step on the pedal again. Shut it down. Come to the hood. Check the fluid again. If it's low, top it off with some what does it say here? Dot 3 or dot 4. Alright. If you don't need more fluid, just put the cap back, and that's pretty much it. Road test it. If you don't hear for any sound, then you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, this was a 2008 Honda Accord. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, so every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. And leave the tip on the table. God damn it. The only way you can help me is by watching the whole ad. Don't skip it, and yeah, that should be good for me. Okay, that's the only way you can help me. Watch the whole ad, okay? Don't skip it, and that's pretty much it. Any thoughts, the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Share this video, okay? Like this video, and that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Holla, your boy estuvo por un amauti.